welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul. I was in Dollar Tree the other day looking for gift bags for Christmas, and they had some really nice gift bags and some items that I hadn't seen before, so I wanted to hop on here and show you in case you could find them. Let me start off with the new items that I haven't seen before. This is it. It says Santa's Naughty or Nice List. I thought that was so funny since I made that book last year. And it says it right down through here, Santa's Naughty or Nice List. And then you can see the back. And you can see it really looks like it's pages, but it's a box. And it opens up. You could put a gift in it. Or I'm just going to use it for my Christmas decor next year. I think that is adorable. Okay? And then I found this one. It said Christmas December 25th Wishes. I thought that is so pretty, and it has kind of looks like snowflakes or something down the side. And then that still looks like that and there, and it opens up as well. I was really sad that I could only find two, but I do have a bigger one and a smaller one, but you could set these out. They would be pretty that way. Or just set them like this. That would be so pretty. And they really do look like books. I love them. Okay, then when I was in there, I found these little Russell Stover candies. They would be a great stocking stuffer. I know I would love something like that. So that's another stocking stuffer idea. And then they had these stylus pins. They had them in the red, and they had them in the gold. So I got two of these. I think these would be good stocking stuffers, or just good to use like with my iPad or my iPhone, something like that. And then, now they didn't have very many stickers, and I didn't find any washi. I don't know what's up with that. But I saw these stickers, and it talks about friends, and I just thought that was so pretty. And that would be beautiful to put in a planner, so I picked up one of those. And then these, just these really flowers, they kind of look kind of 60s, 70s to me. I really like them, so I picked these up. And now and then I got this. I got another one of these. They have these out again. These are so good. You can do so many farmhouse, Tuscan DIYs with this. They're so versatile. So I picked another one of those up. And now I'll show you the gift bags that I found. I think this is hilarious. Check all that apply. Naughty or nice. Decisions. Naughty, nice, really tried, or undecided. And undecided is checked. I think that is hilarious. And then here is the inside of the gift bags. I just think these are so cute. Okay, so I have that one. And then this one says mostly nice, with a sprinkle of naughty. I thought that was really cute. And just has these little ribs down through here. And I like the little name tag on here. And then this one was hilarious. Keep calm and blame it on the elves. I thought that was so funny. And then the little name tag has little elves, has the feet again. And then the inside is just a red striped. But I think those are hilarious. And then I found some really pretty ones. I think this is gorgeous with the little snowman and the train with the snowflakes. And this has glitter on it, so it's raised and it's shiny in places. I just think that is really cute. And then the inside of this is really pretty as well, with the snowflakes and the trees and the snow. I just love that. You can really find some nice gift bags at Dollar Tree. And then this one kind of matches that. You could actually, if you wanted to, frame these, since they do match a lot. But this has the same train with the lights and the snowflakes and the trees. And this little dog on top was hilarious. And then your little name tag. And then the inside of this is just striped. I think that looks so fun. But I really do like it. And as usual, the front side has glitter and the back doesn't. And when I saw this, I couldn't believe it. Look how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty. I love his little lantern and his sleigh and his packages. And his little teddy bear and he's waving. That just looks so serene and beautiful to me. And then the inside of this one is just snowflakes and red, but I think this is gorgeous. This would be beautiful framed. And then this one is really pretty too, with Santa on the train waving with all the presents. I just think that is beautiful. And the snow coming down and the railroad tracks. I just think that is so, so pretty. And then the inside of this is like a really kind of a bluish, it's kind of like a periwinkle stripe. And then this one is really cute. His hat is all glittered and his cuffs and down the front of his suit. And then he's by the window with the snow and the candle, and that's glitter around the candle. I just thought that was really cute. And then the inside of this is just a pretty plaid, but I loved that. And then this is my last one, and this is really pretty. It kind of reminds me of the one that I did behind my stove, but this is so pretty. It doesn't have any glitter on it, but Santa's flying over top of the city, and there's the moon with the snow coming down, and all the toys, and the tree in the back of his sleigh. And you can see the town underneath it. I just think that is so, so pretty. And it's a big gift bag too. And then the sides of this is just plaid as well. But while I was in there, I just thought you might be interested in seeing some of these items, especially these new little books. I love them. They are so sweet. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.